Hi, it's Mrs. Dowd. I just finished phonics dancing. I hope you did too. And now it's time for word work. We're going to spend another day reviewing contractions. Contraction, contraction. You shorten it up, you pound it out. Don't forget your apostrophe fingerprint. Remember, when you contract something, you are making it shorter. And when you write a contraction, I'm the first word, don't change me, don't change me, don't change me. I'm the first word, don't change me, don't you change me. Always change the second word, second word, second word. Always change the second word. Don't forget your apostrophe fingerprint. Shh. So let's get started. If I have the words let and us, you know you want to keep that first word. What is the contraction let us would make? Here's let. I'm going to knock out that you, and I'm going to keep the S, let's. Notice how the apostrophe took the place of the letter we knocked out. Let us, let's. Here's your next word. What if you have should and have? You know you want to keep that first word. So we write should. In this case, I'm going to knock out two letters. I'm knocking out that H and that A. Should have becomes should have. You should have done your homework. You should have done your homework. How about this one? You will. See if you can write that. You will is going to become you'll. I kept that first word. You will, you'll. Your next one, oh, this is the rule breaker. Will not. Do you think will not becomes willn't? Nope. It becomes won't. Let us, let's, should have, should have, you will, you'll, will not, won't. There's your rule breaker. Here's my first word, doesn't. Here's haven't, what's, whose, he'll, and she'll. So I will give you two words that make up the contraction. I want you to find the contraction it would become. If I have he will, can you find the word that would make the contraction and put a box around it? He will. I hope you did this. He'll. What about this? Have not. Have not. Can you find that and can you put an oval around it? Have not. Have not will become haven't. I heard that have. Let's stick a check mark over who is. What's the contraction that makes who is? You hear who, so you know that it's going to be whose. Let's stick a triangle around the contraction for she will. You hear she first. I hope you said she'll. Let's put an X through the contraction that is made up of these two words, does not. You see the does, it would be right here. And then our last one is what's. This would be what is. What is. Let's put two check marks above that. What two words make up the contraction? I say, you don't have to write this. It is just your reference word. If I have there, you know that you want to keep that first word. So I have they. What do you think the R-E is? There. They're at the park. It would be they are. How about this? Hasn't. You know what the first word will be. It's has. She hasn't learned to ride her bike. has what? She has not learned to ride her bike. How about this? I'm. You know what the first word is. It's I. I'm sad we're not at school. What do you think this would be? I am. All right, now this one is really tricky. It's not the plural girls, it's the contraction girls. So you know this is going to start with girl. That girl's going to the zoo. That girl is. Notice how we kept our first word in each of those contractions, and we knocked out the letters in the second. Okay, now it's time for Math Mania. Are you ready? Here are 6 bunnies. Color 2 brown. I can do that. And the rest yellow. And I can do that as well. You know with fractions, the number at the bottom is the total number. I have 2 that are brown. My total number is all of those bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 out of 6 bunnies are brown. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunnies are yellow. And here's how we know this is right. Here's a fact family. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 take away 2 is 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. Now let's take a look. I've got some numbers missing from my number line here, from my hundreds chart. So I'll give you my hundreds chart. Let's find 71. It's right here. What would come right after 71? Well, we know that would be 72. Now we see 73. Here's something tricky. What comes right before 71? I'm going to have to come over here, and I know it's 70. Now, each of these columns I'm counting by 10. So if I'm at 70, what would be 10 more? It would be 80. If I'm at 71, 10 more would be 81. But I think this is now easy to fill in. I'm at 80, 81, 82, you see it right there, and 83. 70, 10 more is 80, 71, 10 more is 81, 72, 10 more is 82, 73, 10 more is 83. Let's take a look at read and solve. Ready? It says, there were 12 eggs ready to hatch at the Easter egg farm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is my total number. Right here, 5 of them hatched this morning. I hope the rest of them hatch this afternoon. How many eggs still need to hatch at the Easter egg farm? So I'm taking a look at this. If I had 12 eggs and 5 of them hatched this morning, how many are left to hatch? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 5 plus 7 equals 12. You can see that right here. 12 take away 5 is 7. 12 take away 7 is 5. That's your word work and a little bit of Math Mania. Have a great day.